As the world population grows, so does its need for food. Commercialized fishing has impacted and changed the lives of marine animals globally. This industry relies on heavy use of plastic and tanglesome fishing nets, also known as gill nets, to catch dozens and even hundreds of fish at one time. However, this technique can cause harm to animals not intended to be caught. Specifically, marine birds are often innocent victims, called bycatch, of commercial and even local fishermen. Seabirds are the fastest declining group of birds, and this can be attributed to gill netting practices. In 2018, off of the Cayman Islands, there was a conglomerate of interwoven fish nets. This mass entanglement was the size of the Hollywood sign, about 50 feet across and 50 feet deep. In those nets were hundreds of dead fish, birds, and sharks. Some of the dead animals in the nets traveled for so long that they could not be recognized by their species. Gill netting kills an estimated 400,000 seabirds every year. Seabirds will often dive into the water to catch a fish, but upon their descent up, they can be caught in the gill nets, leading to their demise. There are many recommendations and tips that can be done to help reduce the impact of gill netting. One large project is to teach fishermen both local and commercial techniques on things such as how to weight your net so it sinks and doesn't float on the surface where birds may land. Since many seabirds congregate near fishing holes where fishermen also fish from, they become bycatch very easily. Another project being done along coastal communities in the Caribbean to combat this bycatching is giving local fishermen rods fishing gear to help reduce the amount of seabirds caught in nets. In the end, fishermen want to catch fish, not birds and turtles. So many fishermen will take the proper steps and willingness to change their fishing practices to reduce seabird deaths.